Today we're going to customize the center caps on the TRD wheels. And as you know, they always come in red, and it doesn't always go with the themes of your rig. So if you're into that kind of thing, there's an individual on Etsy who makes some vinyl, and he offers dozens of different colors. So I chose this color. Color reminds me of like the Lunar Rock color on the Toyotas. So it's one of my favorite colors, but my rig is a darker silver, darker gray. So, but I think this will go really well with it. And I'll show you how to install these. I did one already. They actually come with 6. So they give you 2 extra, or 1 extra if you put it on your spare, if you have a TRD spare. What's recommended is doing each letter individually, which means you need to cut each one of these out. Now, there are some areas where it's really tight, like right here between the R and the D. So you have to be careful that you don't cut into the vinyl. So we'll go ahead and do one right now. I'm going to just cut these 2 TRDs out on this side here. And then I'll cut one right here. See, even like on the bottom of this R right here, it's super tight. So you gotta be careful. I like to leave a little extra room on the bottoms, and I'll show you why. So let's use this one. And we'll start with the T. So that area right there, again, super tight. So you have to be really careful and use a nice set of scissors. You need to make sure that the letters transfer to the top vinyl. So when you peel the backing off, it stays on the top vinyl. So what I like to do is push it down so it sticks to the clear vinyl on top. And then as we start to peel it up, it'll transfer over. See on the top right, it wants to stay on the bottom part. So you can just take your fingertip or nail, press down a little bit. And I always like to peel up on an angle too. And now it comes off. So now we have the T. So what you can do here, I'm going to put this on a little angle so I can see it better, is I put my fingers on the bottom and you line it up. Now you don't want to press. You don't want to press on it just yet. You just want to line it up as best you can. And then you can always move it if you need to. So that looks pretty good. So I'll hold the corner down and I'll drop it right there. So that looks good to me. I got lucky on that one. They're not super easy, but you just have to take your time. So once I have it where I want it, I'll just gently start to press it and make sure it's exactly where I want. And it is. So start to work your fingertips on the center part of the vinyl, because this is actually concave, it's not flat. So you want to make sure you work the center part of the vinyl. Don't use your fingernails either, use your fingertips. The nails might leave a little mark in the vinyl. So once you have it in place, you can take this off. Now you have to make sure that the vinyl letters don't come up with it. So peel this also on an angle. You could shimmy it back and forth too. And you can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure it's set. It is a little tricky because of the concave lettering. All right, so here's the T. This one you can see a little bit more of the red. This one I centered off. You can see a little bit more of the red there, but I can see the red on the outside here, which means if I had shifted that a millimeter or two over to the right, it would have had better coverage. But I've held these at a distance when I did the first one, and when I had a little bit of red showing like that, and it was not noticeable. So, all right. There's the TRD. Like I said, this one, that's user error right there. Could have shifted over just a little bit. I'm not concerned about it. I think you get an idea of the overall product, but let me show you a comparison between when this is on the wheel with the stock red and the color change. Like I said, he makes dozens of different colors, so you can choose from pretty much anything. I was gonna go with green, but I do like this kind of lunar rock Toyota color. All right, let's go check out the comparison. All right, here's the comparison between the stock red and the one we just did on the right here. It looks a little lighter color on the wheel, but I think it's just the lighting that I have. These are brand new. These are going on my 5th gen soon. I also have brand new tires sitting up there. The other two sitting right there. And maybe a little controversy on the tires that I chose. Not necessarily the brand of the tire, but perhaps the load rating. We'll talk about that more on the next video. I will also be mounting the tires and the wheels here at home in a little DIY video coming up next, as well as putting new TPMS sensors and how to program them in the new wheels. So stick around. I hope you don't miss out on those. Subscribe to the channel so you don't. And life begins with a payment ends. Never forget that. I'll see you in the next one, guys.